All right, everyone, for this brief guide of my video, I'll show you how to rewrite a paragraph in a whole new tone using the ChatGPT canvas right here. Fast, easy, fun. All right, let's get started. So first method I would show you is through prompts. So first, just highlight the paragraph by doing this, or you could go here in this section, selected, and there we go. It just popped up into the prompt input box while the paragraph is highlighted. Now type exactly what kind of tone you want for. So for example, here's mine, casual and friendly tone. There we go. So hit send by pressing enter or click this one and let ChatGPT transform it for you just like that. There we go. You can see here briefly on how it changed with this method right here, easy peasy. Now let's go over to the second one that I'll be showing you is adjusting the reading level. Now you could click this one or highlight it. I'll do it easy way like this. There we go, specifically for this method. Now go right here to the pencil icon, then go to the open book, and it turns into a slider. So you can go down here, the lower level or the higher level. If you want the higher level or any tone or reading level you need, let this go, and it turns into a send button. Boom, there we go. I clicked it, and now ChatGPT is automatically adjust your paragraph based off your selection. There we go. See? Easy peasy, and cheesy. Okay. And one more method, and this one's the simplest of all. It depends if you really want to go by that method. But I'm just going to show you right now. Select this one and just hover down to the pencil icon, and this time click the brush icon. And see this, add final polish. And once you click this one, it instantly becomes a send button right here. And then click it. Okay. Just wait for a while, as you can see. Yep. There we go. It adjusted and it rewrote, and see right here, it differentiates with the wordings and the tone right here. As you can see, it smooth out your wording, just like I said, adjust the tone, just like I said, with just a few simple clicks right here. So yeah, there we go. Those are the few quick ways to rewrite a paragraph in a new tone using ChatGPT Canvas and all different methods for you to do. Now, if you find this video helpful overall, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And also, smash that like button so it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. So until next time, everybody, see ya!